Next truck build Q&A question comes from Kevin Riddell, and Kevin has asked, was it hard to do? And he's referring to the motorhome certification to change it from a truck to a truck-based motorhome. No, it wasn't hard. Look, get your weights, read your code before you start building. That's probably the biggest things. Know what you need to have to qualify as a motorhome. Get your weighbridge certificate, get your gas fitting certificate, go to the RTA or your roads department, book your inspection, do your paperwork and get it done. Now the main thing is to get your CPT, your insurance code, changed from a 7, which is a truck, to a 2, which is a motorhome, because that's the category that makes a big change on the rego. So we've just gone through Queensland. It was very, very easy. Probably one of the easiest states to get changed over. It took us like 20 minutes in the RTA. But do know your code before you start your build, what it takes to become a motorhome. So you've got to have a seating area where you can eat. You've got to have an outward opening door on the left or rear. You have to have somewhere to sleep. You have to have seating. If you can carry 3 passengers, then you have to have sleeping for at least those 3 passengers. There's quite a bit in the way of regulations. You've got to have fixed cooking. You've got to have fixed sink. There's a few things, and a few of the states are different from state to state. But know your code, get all your ducks lined up, do your inspection, and voila, you're a motorhome and not a truck anymore.